Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today we are making something very delicious and tasty. We are making crispy chicken nuggets. If you are interested, keep watching and don't forget to click the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. With no further ado, come with me as we cook. As usual, I will put the list of ingredients down below and don't forget to check it out. For the list of ingredients, I will be using lime, 2 eggs, salt, chicken breast, flour, cornflakes. Then for the seasoning, I will be using turmeric, nutmeg, cinnamon, paprika pepper, garlic, ginger, curry. I will start by cutting the chicken breast into smaller parts. For this, you can cut your chicken breast into any size of your choice. And afterward, I will set aside. At this point, I'll go ahead to add all the seasoning into my flour and give it a very good mix. I'll also go ahead to set the flour mix aside. Next, I will go ahead to put the chicken breast into a clean bowl. I will add some salt to it and then mix with my hand. At this moment, I will be adding the mixed flour with spices and then continue to mix everything together thoroughly until the chicken breast is well coated with the flour. Afterward, I will set aside. Now, I will break the 2 eggs into another clean bowl. We also go ahead to cut the lemon into 2. Mind you, I will not be using the full lemon. I will then squeeze the juice out of it and then add it into the eggs. I will add some salt into the eggs and lemon and then go ahead to whisk with my fork. However, at this point, I will be grinding the cornflakes into smaller particles with my glass cup. And also, you can use anything of your choice to crush your cornflakes. The reason why I use cornflakes is to give the chicken that crunchiness I desire. Now that I'm through, I'll set aside. Now, I will go ahead to put the chicken pieces into the egg whisk and then put into the grinded cornflakes and take it out and place in a bowl until I finish coating all the chicken pieces with the egg and cornflakes mixture. Now that the chicken pieces is well coated with all the mixture, I will go ahead to fry this by placing my pan on the gas cooker and add some oil and allow this to hot for some minutes. You can use any oil of your choice and then add the chicken nugget and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat, and then flip the other side and fry as well until everything is well brownish in color, and then take it out of the oil and place in a kitchen paper to absorb all the excess oil from the chicken. Guys, can you see this? Can you see how beautiful it is? It was so yummy and so tasty. I was not able to resist this. You can eat this up with mayonnaise or ketchup. Please guys, try and make this recipe. I bet you will thank me later. I guess my job is done here. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you do try this out, please give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thanks. And you can also pair this up with some pasta or rice or anything of your choice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.